Hello everyone. Today, I want to share with you a simple, yet effective natural trick to grow tons of garlic in your garden. Have you ever struggled to get enough garlic in your life? Well, it's time to break that curse and grow unbeatable amounts of garlic in your own garden using this incredible technique. First of all, let's talk about the ingredients you'll need. All you need is a glass of water, a glass of white vinegar, and some active yeast. Now, you can simply mix the water and white vinegar in a bowl and add a few drops of active yeast. Stir the mixture well and let it sit for about 24 hours. The next step is to place this mixture in a spot in your garden where you can get plenty of sunlight. Make sure it's close to an airing out place so that the garlic can breathe. The best part about this technique is that it promotes root growth, which is essential for healthy garlic growth. After about 2 weeks, you'll start to see the magic. The garlic will start to sprout and eventually grow, producing large cloves that are perfect for cooking and snacking on. So try this out for yourself and experience the joy of growing an abundance of garlic in your garden. All it takes is a simple mix of water, white vinegar, and active yeast to bring your gardening dreams to life. Give it a try and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Happy gardening!